Here I have VIVO V21e, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then scroll down to the bottom, go to the system section, then go to the reset options and select the last option, erase all data factory reset. Tap erase all data and then once again, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.